In this video, we are going to see how we can flip the webcam or mirror a camera in Camtasia Studio. So many of times you have noticed that, let's say this is my recording, right? So this plant is actually on our left hand side, but when we record it, it comes on our right side. So let's see how we can solve this issue in Camtasia. So it's a very simple process. All we have to do is just first of all record your video just like so, and actually this plant should come on my left. So once we record this video, we have set up the camera according to all the settings, and then we go to the More tab, click on the visual properties, and simply in the y-axis we change this to 180, and this will flip it just like so. So this is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.